6345 Silver Ribbon. We are at the end of a cul-de-sac. Okay, so it looks like we have laminate flooring that is newly installed. Probably replace that fridge, it's on the small side. Maybe get an undermount sink with a gooseneck. Nice looking door. The walls look like they have a little bit of a gray tone to them. You can see it's an older fan. The paint seems to be in good condition. The blinds seem okay. A little bit of wear on this railing here. Nothing crazy, it's really normal. Maybe leave it, maybe stain it. Yeah, okay. It looks like this house was painted. Jenny likes having laundry rooms that are set off to the side, not a pass-through room. This room seems like a decent size. Blinds look good. Missing a ceiling fan there, but it appears to be wired for one. It's quite a design there. Change out those light bulbs for non-curly ones. Doors look nice. So this is a change in flooring. It doesn't appear too harsh of a change since it is also gray laminate. It's just a different laminate. As you can see a little bit of wear on those cabinets there. Change out those light bulbs so none of them are curly and they all match. Two-piece. Nice. I'm not sure what this room is. It looks like there used to be a toilet there. Maybe you can use it as a closet, maybe just for storage, not quite sure. Yeah, so that's the property.